Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect eBay with Payoneer. It's pretty easy thing to do. So for that, let me tell you one thing. You can use the Payoneer credit card that you can add it to eBay and you guys can make purchases with that credit card using Payoneer's account. So you just need to select any of that product that you want to buy on eBay. Suppose I am going to buy this one. So click on that and then I'm just going to click on this buy it now. Click on this check out as guest. Now here they would want me to add the information regarding my address, and in the payment section I can easily add this Visa or MasterCard. Now you just need to add the information of your card, your Pioneer credit cards. So how you can get the Pioneer credit card? For that you have to log into your Pioneer and come for this Pioneer cards. Now it will just load, and here you just have to order a card if you currently don't have it, or if you haven't ordered any card. But if you have ordered the card and the pending is approval, you just need to submit your documentation and you need to verify your account. After ordering the card, you will get a card and you can easily use that card to buy anything you want on eBay. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to connect eBay with Payoneer. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.